Now guys, we will unbox this one. This is from who is the seller of this one? From Gracie. Ito po siya ay galing sa Mayuan Village, Camping Town, Dongguan City. This is from China guys, China. Yan. This is from China. This is from China. Ayan. We will unbox this one. Ayan. We will unbox this one. Ayan. Ito po ay ano po siya. Product po nito is Christmas Halloween Popit. Round Fidget toy, Christmas tree, Santa Claus, pumpkin, apple, gingerbread man, push bubble stress relief. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. We'll unbox this one.
Yay!
Ayan. We'll unbox
this one. Can you open it?
Ayan guys, we'll unbox this one guys. Ayan. First ay ito. Dear customer, we devote to providing this product, the best product and service to customer. If you have any question or concern, please feel free to contact us. Yan. Yan. We'll try our best to assist you. And if you are pleased with this purchase, sharing your 5-star review will be gratefully appreciated. Wish you have a great day. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. So nice. Ayan. The first product is this one. Ayan. The Christmas tree puppet. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda nito guys. Yung quality niya is so good. Ayan. The quality is so good. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. The quality is so good. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Ayan ang ganda ng quality. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda ng quality niya guys. Ayan. Next is a pumpkin puppet. Pumpkin puppet. The quality is so good also. And then this is big guys. Oh, this is big. Ayan. Siya. It's big. The quality is so nice. Look. Yan, makapal siya guys, makapal. Yan, makapal siya. As in, the quality is so good. As in, 100% so good quality. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda, as in, ang ganda. Next is a Santa Claus. This one, a Santa Claus. A Santa Claus puppet. This one. Ayan siya guys. As in, ang ganda. The quality is so nice guys. Ayan. Yan o, ang ganda as in. 100%. Ang ganda ng quality. Yan o. Dahil malapit na ang Christmas, ito na yung puppet. Ito yung puppet for Christmas. Ang ganda. And then, the Halloween, because November 1 and 2 is a Halloween. So we have this one. We have like this for this coming November. And guys, kung saan ako nakabili nito, if you want to buy also, I will put the link below in the description box guys. Okay? Ilalagay ko sa description box yung link nito. Sa Shopee ko po ito nabili. I'll put the link in the description box. This is the item. Ang ganda. Sulit na sulit. Ayan o. Ang ganda guys. As in. Ayan. Popit. Ayan. Bye!
Come here.
Ayan guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng quality. The quality is so good. Ayan. What's the other one? This one. The next one is the Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. The next is a pumpkin. This is the pumpkin one. Ayan. So nice quality guys. The quality is so good. Ayan. Ang ganda ng quality.
How's the go? How's the go?
You show up